We are from Group 8. We want to expand about a marshmallow system. But first, we want to introduce ourselves. My name is Wira Kusuma.
My name is Ashifa Zwani.
Hello everyone, introducing myself, my name is Owen Talikwan.
As a start, I'll explain the operating system first. An operating system or OS is software system that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provide common service for computer programs. Time-sharing operation system schedule tasks for efficient use of the system and may also include accounting software to cost allocation of process time, mass storage, printing, and other resources. Operating systems are found on many devices that contain a computer, from cellular phone and video game console to web server and supercomputer. Next, about kind of system operation like the others, the operating system has several variants. First, we talk about Windows OS. Microsoft introduced an operating environment named Windows on November 20, 1985 as a graphical operating system shell for Mac-DOS in response to the growing interest in graphical user interface or GUIs. Microsoft Windows came to dominate the world personal computer or PC market with over 19% market share overtaking Mac OS, which had been introduced in 1984. Next is Linux OS. Linux is a family of open source Unix-like operating system based on the Linux kernel, an operating system kernel first released on September 17, 1991 by Linus Torvald. Linux was originally developed for personal computer based on the Intel 8086 architecture, but has since been ported to more platforms than any other operating system. Linux is typically packaged in a Linux distribution. The third is Mac OS. Mac OS is proprietary graphical operating system developed and marketed by Apple Corporation since 2001. It is the primary operating system for Apple Mac computer within the market of desktop, laptop, and home computer. And by web usage, it is the second most widely used desktop OS after Windows. The first desktop version macOS X 10.0 was released in March 2001 with its first update 10.1 arriving later that year. Or release from macOS X 10.5 Leopard and thereafter are Unix 3 certificate except for OS X 10.7 system. iOS has been considered a variant of Mac OS. The last one is mobile operating system. Mobile operating system for mobile phone, tablet, smartwatch, 2.1 PC, smart speaker, or other mobile devices. This is becoming blurred in new operating systems that are hybrid made for both users. Examples for mobile system are Android OS and iOS OS. Next is we talk about Next is we talk about Android, but Owen will explain that.
Right then, thank you very much, Kusuma. I will take over from here. So, I am going to talk about Android. So, Android Incorporated was formed in Palo Alto, California in October 2003 by Andy Rubin's founder of Danger, Rich Miner, founder of Wildfire Communications Incorporated, Nick Sears, ex-VP T-Mobile, and Chris White, head of design and interface web TV development. The early goal for Android development is to develop an advanced operating system which is designed for digital cameras. Google acquired Android Inc. in 17th of August 2005, making it a subsidiary, which means fully belongs to Google now. The founder of Android Incorporated, though, still works in the company even though it's being acquired by Google itself. Now, I'm going to tell you more about details of Android, but we're going to talk about Android 6 since this is the theme. So Android 6, the beta of Android 6 was released in 28th of May 2005 and was officially released in the 5th of October 2005. But as of August 2001 though, less than 5% Android devices use this version. And when it was warned that a billion users use this version, then they will no longer have support for security updates. And it was then that 70% of those users has upgraded their new version with new phones like the newest Android 12 something. But that is the case. So next is extended theme. So extended themes are features that are tools specialized capabilities from hard numerals or software on computer devices, smartphone and others. One is app permissions. So app permissions users either have a choice between accepting all the permissions requested by an app in order to install it or simply choose not to install the app altogether. Meaning you can control your app. For example, do you want this app to give you a notification of some sort? You can make it yes or no. That's easy. Or do you want to make it auto update? That you can choose for yourself. Now the second part is web experience. So what web though? They use Chrome. Chrome custom tabs are a specialized feature that has been included in Android Marshmallow operating system. The feature gives the developer more control over the Chrome capabilities while keeping a control of the look and feel of the experience. So that is the web experience. Now then, the next one is Fingerprints Support. Do you know James Bond? You know in those movies where you can use your finger or something and put on the device and then it will open up? Yeah, that's kind of like it. So Fingerprint Supports in Android Marshmallow is used for authorization purpose. Fingerprint usually can replace from using PIN and password into a single, just using your thumb or finger to unlock your phone. Next is mobile payments. So this feature provides simplicity, security, and choice in Android's pay system. So you can use your phone to make payments. And then there is app links. So app links are awareness for an app to open the content directly instead of stopping the users with dialog bars, like the dialog box. So for example, when you open a link from an email, you went straight to that place. You don't need to open a dialog box like, do you want to go here? Like, you just go there instantly. There's nothing to worry about. And then there is the sixth part, which is power and charging. So there's a new function back then in Android 6, which is the dose option. So like if you let okay, so the brief explanation of this is, for example, you have a phone and it's turned on, and you put it away for like 5 minutes, it will automatically close itself. That way, you save more battery. That is quite the explanation, I guess. And then there is other Android Marshmallow features such as deep linking with other apps. You can do volume controls, text selection, and data usage API for work profiles. Right then, that is for the extended themes. Now then, next one will be operations, but I'm not gonna explain this one. This one is for you, Ashifa. I'll be handling this to you.
Next is application. When we use our cell phone, we should know how to run every feature tool provided. Here are some features that I would like to explain. First is how to activate USB and Wi-Fi data feature or portable hotspot. Go to Setting, click Wireless and Network, click Data and Portable Hotspot. Give a check mark to the portable Wi-Fi hotspot or add a few types of Android handphone with the sentence Mobile 80. Other setting is not needed. And after that, you just need to activate Wi-Fi in other electronic device, for example, like laptop, tablet, or other handphone, and follow the procedures in other device to get connected to the internet. Second is how to send files via Bluetooth Android. To send file like a picture, video, and other, you need to go to gallery or a location where your personal file is being stored. Select the share menu, choose Bluetooth. Android cell phone will automatically find the device whose Bluetooth is active. After reset to layer, choose a device you want to send file to. Third is how to receive files via Bluetooth Android. To receive files via Bluetooth, other than activating Bluetooth on your cell phone, you have to make your Android cell phone to be visible or discoverable. First, you need to go to the main screen and press the home screen, press the menu button, click Settings, select Wireless and Networks, choose Bluetooth and Settings, give a check mark on visible or discoverable. Your Android cell phone can now be detected by other devices in a few moments. Fourth is how to do factory reset or deleting all data and cell phone application. To the factory reset, go to Setting, open Privacy, select Factory Data Reset. Remember to back up all important data before doing factory reset. Fifth, how to back up contacts for Android. You can back up contacts or telephone number, fax, email, note, and other to an SD card. What you need to do is open Contacts app or People or phone book, press menu, click Import or Export, click Export to SD card. Next is Conclusion and Suggestion. Conclusion. From here, we can learn about Android 6 Marshmallow operating system that we just explained. It can be known that Android is founded by 4 people who are Andy, Rubin, Rick Miners, and Nick Sears. Android 6 have a lot of features in their operating system, for example, app permission, power charging, and dances. For the current Android 6, if we compare it with Android and the newest iOS, Android 6 is far out of date. However, there is no cell phone users with Android 6 operating system, and the newest version of Android operating system is already available, which is called Android 12. And suggestion. If you wanted to buy a cell phone with an Android-based operating system, then buy a cell phone that is more expensive currently and also have the newest Android operating system and with more features. Thank you.
Right then, that will be it for today. Thank you very much, Vira Kusuma and Ashifa Aswani. Now, I hope you learned about Android a thing or two, especially about Android 6. and its features. Well then, that will be it for our presentation, and I hope I'll see you soon. Later!